I thought I'd try printing a thinner fan blade, a lighter blade. I'm just hoping there might be just enough filament left there to do it. I might have to stand here and watch it, just in case. I'm cutting it very fine. It is just the pointy bit in the centre of it that we're printing now. I think we've got enough filament there, pretty sure. Yeah, I'll stand here and watch it, I think, for the last few minutes. Finished. 1/2 millimetre thick and thinner where I got the fold lines or bend lines. I'll let that cool down before I try and pop it off there. I said I was going to let it cool down, then I realised it was a good idea to try and get it off while it was still warm, because we needed to bend the petals down. So that's what I've done. That's still warm, and I've used the edge of it as a bending fulcrum. Can't think what word it is. But yeah, bent it down on each one. So we'll now go and see if that's any good. And we did have a little bit of filament left. Right, it's too late in the day now to catch sunlight. But that one worked, even though it was out of balance. So that one now sits on there, and I'll use the light to try and warm things up. Oh, I can probably drop it down a bit lower, can't I? Well, we'll see what happens first. I might want to bend some of those down a little bit further. They seem to have sprung back up again. Oh, we had a bit of movement. A bit. Probably going to burn the card tower. It wants to go, doesn't it? It's just a little bit too much friction still. Oh, go on, you know you want to do it. I don't know what I can do to reduce the friction anymore, other than what I tried last time, put a metal top to it. pivot. Well, I just moved the light and we're going. Still out of balance. I'm going to claim that as a success. It's not as much of a success as I'd hoped, but it's more of a success than the previous attempt. So that's a lighter rotor, or whatever we call it, fan blade. It's only 0.5 millimeter thick instead of 1 millimeter. That's picking up speed now, isn't it? I expect in full sunshine the petals themselves will go soft and drop down, droop. They may even droop just with the hot air coming up through the tunnel, through the chimney. Oh, what's happened there? Something oh, there's a little bit of stringy bit sticking up. And it caught on it. Yeah, I can see it now. There's a little stringy piece sticking up, or being lifted up by the hot air. Yeah, we're going. Well, we'll leave this in the window, see if we get any sunshine tomorrow, and see if it will actually work in real sunshine. But that'll do for now. Yeah, that'll do. I say, there's no sunshine now. It's too late in the afternoon. Nearly 6 o'clock. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.